Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best DSLR bundle is probably one of the most exciting and confusing purchases for photography enthusiasts, especially beginners. This video will cut through the noise and help you understand what to look for in a DSLR camera bundle, covering essential components like the camera body, lenses, and accessories, and guiding you toward making an informed decision based on your skill level, budget, and photographic aspirations. We will explore various bundle options, compare their features, and ultimately help you find the perfect kit to kickstart your photography journey. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR. It's the perfect DSLR for capturing stunning photos and videos. Its user-friendly design makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of experience level. It boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering incredibly detailed and vibrant images. You'll be amazed by the clarity and sharpness. With improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, it ensures sharp focus on your subject, every time. Say goodbye to blurry photos. This kit includes two versatile lenses, an 18 to 55 mm and a 75 to 300 mm, giving you the flexibility to capture everything from wide landscapes to distant wildlife. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC allow for easy sharing of your photos and videos. Transfer your memories instantly to your smartphone or computer. It records stunning Full HD 1080p videos, letting you capture life's moments in beautiful detail. It's perfect for creating professional-looking videos. Use it as a high-quality webcam with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software. It's ideal for video conferencing and streaming. It operates reliably in a wide temperature range, from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. You can count on it to perform in various conditions. What we like. It boasts impressive autofocus and a high-resolution sensor for sharp images. If you need reliable wireless connectivity for easy sharing, this is the one for you. This camera is perfect for those who want a balance of quality and convenience. What people say. Love the quality, image clarity, and flexibility to get all kinds of lenses accessories. It is incredibly easy to operate and handle, and now I use it as my primary tool for commercial photography. The results are exceptionally clear in well-lit areas. The battery life is also impressive. When I'm just taking photos and not recording videos, I can shoot for 3 to 4 hours straight without the battery level dropping significantly. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7 Bundle. It's the perfect DSLR for capturing stunning photos and videos. With its 24.1 MP sensor and Digic 4 Plus processor, it delivers exceptional image quality in any lighting condition. This sensor ensures sharp details and accurate colors in your images. Experience low-noise performance even in low-light situations. This versatile lens is perfect for everyday shooting. It provides a focal range equivalent to 29 to 88 mm in 35 mm format, making it ideal for various subjects. Capture your memories in smooth, high-definition video. It's easy to use and perfect for sharing your adventures. This bundle comes with everything you need to get started, including memory cards, extra battery, wide-angle and telephoto lenses, filters, tripod, and more. You'll be ready to shoot right away. The included wide-angle lens expands your field of view, while the telephoto lens brings distant subjects closer. Get creative with your shots. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need to start shooting right away, including extra memory and accessories. If you're a beginner and want a hassle-free experience, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who don't want to buy accessories separately. What people say. It takes super clean photos. I bought a sports lens for it and it works really well on shooting sports mode. The shutter speed is perfect. The quality is amazing. It's easy enough to use point-click and the flash works fantastic. The lenses are great. Perfect condition when they arrived, they are exactly what I wanted. The bag it comes with is sturdy, no tears, no holes. The dividers are movable. The two SD cards work great. It has a little wallet-like case for them that can attach to the camera strap for easy, convenient use. It charges super fast in an hour and a half, 1 hour 30 minutes, usually it'll be fully charged. It's also Wi-Fi enabled. Number 3. Canon EOS 2000D DSLR. Get ready to explore the world of photography with the Canon EOS 2000D. It's incredibly easy to use, and this bundle has everything you need to get started. This is the EOS 2000D camera body. Notice its lightweight design and intuitive controls. It's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. This versatile lens is included in the kit. It's great for a wide range of shots, from landscapes to portraits. The bundle also includes a protective case and a large 128GB memory card, so you can capture countless memories. It offers various shooting modes, making it simple to capture stunning photos and videos. Experiment and find your style. It delivers crisp, high-resolution images that you'll be proud to share. See the difference a DSLR makes. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate the settings and capture the perfect shot, regardless of your skill level. With everything included in this bundle, you're ready to start your photography journey. Go capture your world. What we like. It offers a massive amount of storage and comes with a wide array of accessories. If you're looking for the most comprehensive package at a great price, this is it. This bundle is ideal for photographers who need lots of storage and a variety of tools. What people say. Easy to use, good quality, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is easy to set up on it to transfer to phone. So many features and so many things came with it. 2 chargers and 3 batteries. The camera is a really good camera. I haven't used a camera in depth for 10 years. It felt really good knowing that I could maneuver through the different settings like I hadn't stopped photographing. I like that it is Wi-Fi enabled and I can sync it to my phone and control it from there. All the accessories it comes with are nice and brand new. First, the camera and lens take great pictures. The accessories that were included that I really appreciated are spare rechargeable battery and universal charger, AC and 12-volt automotive power. 2 memory cards. Camera bag that's adequate for the majority of the items included. Shutter release remote, wired. Number 2. Canon EOS 4000D DSLR Kit. Get ready to explore the world of photography with this incredible DSLR kit. It's everything you need to start capturing stunning photos and videos. This camera boasts an impressive 18-megapixel sensor, ensuring your images are rich in detail and clarity. It's perfect for capturing those special moments. The included 18 to 55mm lens offers a great range of focal lengths, making it suitable for various shooting situations, from landscapes to portraits. Even beginners can achieve great results with the Scene Intelligent Auto mode. It automatically adjusts settings for optimal image quality. Capture your memories in stunning full HD video. It's easy to use and produces professional-looking results. This kit comes with everything you need: memory card, tripod, flash, and backpack. Plus, there's a Z-Tech accessory bundle for even more options. With its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface, it's simple to use, no matter your skill level. Start creating amazing memories today. What we like. Get a great deal on a renewed camera with a solid set of accessories. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is a smart choice. This option is perfect for budget-conscious photographers who need a reliable camera and basic accessories. What people say. It may take a while to learn its various aspects, but it's a great camera, capable of good focus and nice crisp images. It is a good value for the money as it is a professional-level camera. The battery life is perfect. You have to remember to turn the camera off when you're not using it. That way, the battery lasts quite a while. It will connect to your Wi-Fi and allow you to see images on Camera Connect app on your phone. I got this for my wife as she was wanting a higher quality camera but didn't want to be flooded with all the features to find in really high-end camera. While it does have a lot of features and can do some pretty cool things, it's still easy for anybody to use. Recently used it for some family photos and they all came out great. My daughter is new to photography. This kit has everything she needs to start taking high-quality pictures. You can start using everything as soon as you open the package. Super simple and all-inclusive. Really pleased with this purchase. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T100 Bundle. Get ready to explore the world of photography with this incredible Canon EOS Rebel T100 Bundle. It's packed with everything you need to start capturing stunning images and videos. This camera boasts an 18.0 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, ensuring crisp, high-quality photos and full HD videos. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners to use. The included 18 to 55mm lens provides versatile zoom capabilities, perfect for various shooting situations. It's ideal for landscapes, portraits, and everything in between. This bundle is a complete package. You'll receive a memory card, UV filter, lens hood, tripod, and more, everything you need to get started. It features a clear LCD screen and an optical viewfinder for easy framing. Scene Intelligent Auto Mode makes capturing great shots effortless, even for beginners. Download the Canon Photo Companion app for helpful tutorials and tips to enhance your photography skills. Learn to use all its features and take your photos to the next level. With its precise autofocus, 3.0 frames per second shooting speed, and Wi-Fi connectivity, it's easy to capture and share your memories instantly. Start creating lasting memories today. What we like. This renewed camera comes with a professional bundle of accessories, offering excellent value. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to upgrade your photography setup, this is a great option. This is perfect for those who want a professional experience without breaking the bank. What people say. It's very easy to use. The battery lasts a while. The quality is amazing. You get amazing image quality. Picture quality can be excellent, depending on lens choice and camera settings. Be sure you're using an autofocus lens like the Canon 18 to 55mm it comes with. Battery life is great. I've shot outside all day long, hundreds of photos per shoot, and if you started with a fully charged battery, you're fine. The camera bag is a nice addition too, although a little small. I've had no issues with durability, and I've taken it on several road trips already. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.